Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in the monthly challenge Look for Less that is hosted by Yami from the Latina next door, and this month as the co-host is Ashleigh Lauren. I'm leaving the links to their channels in the description box, and please check those channels. You won't be disappointed. They are amazingly creative. You will find a lot of inspiration, a lot of fun because they are really upbeat, and they deserve your visit because they work so hard to come up with new ideas every week, or sometimes more than once a week. So please go there and enjoy. You will also find a playlist with all the videos that are uploaded by all the participants in this challenge, and I recommend you to watch them all because I always do, and I always find other ideas that I haven't thought of, and really is worthy. Okay, the challenge consists in finding a piece of home decor that you like but you find kind of expensive, and then you have to recreate it spending less money. This month I found this piece of wall art that I really liked. The price was $14.99, but you can think, okay, it's $5 each, it's not really expensive, but when you add the shipping, it is $22.98. It's almost $8 for each one of them, and mainly I wanted just one of them, so I didn't want the three of them, and there is no option. They come in three. So those were the main reasons why I decided to recreate it myself, and I knew I could spend less money. First, I bought at Dollar Tree this bowl. I could find the original bowl, but I like this much better. It has kind of a chicken wire all around. Sorry for the glare, I hope you can see it. And that's why I chose this one. Then I bought this frame. It was the only one that has wood, because in fact there is no real frame. It comes with this glass and this kind of clasps, I don't know the name, to keep the glass in place on top of the back. That's why you can see that there are holes here. Here in these holes is where the those hooks are placed. It had the stand that I removed, and here is what I use to write the sentiment. It's a 12 by 12 scrapbooking paper that I cut to size, and the best thing is that I could print the sentiment right on the paper. I didn't have to do anything like printing it on a paper, you know, writing or passing a black pencil in the back and then transferring it to the paper. I just printed it, and it was so fast, so quick. Then I used Elmer glue and I adhered the paper to the back. Then I made two holes. It's really easy. I just used the point of scissors, and then I tried to adhere the bowl to the back. I used hot glue. I used E6000 and didn't work. I was really disappointed. I thought I was not going to be able to finish the project till I did this. And I saw that there is no problem. It stays in place. So that was a problem solved. I just tied it with a twine, and the project was almost done. I only had to add these leaves that I already had this way, They were covering the mark from the glue gun and the E6000 and the hydrangeas. So that's the project finished. It took me like 10 minutes to assemble everything, and I have almost the same piece of art that I have here for just $4, less than $4, but let's say $1, $2 for the frame. Sorry, the frame. The paper is 79 cents, the twine 30 cents, 20 cents. So in fact it's less than $4, but let's say $4 is the half that it would have costed me if I had bought it from the website. So I'm really pleased with the result. I'm going to use one of the hole that is here to hang it from the wall, and I love it. I really love it. I'm so happy. I hope you find this inspiring and that you will be able to do something like this if you like it. And please give me a thumbs up. Become a subscriber if you are not one already. Ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks again to the hostess of the challenge, and thanks to all of you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.